Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. I have found another two new AI model and its name is NVIDIA Nemotron-Nano-9 billion version 2 and another one is this mobile LLM R1-950 million from Facebook or Meta. So this 950 million can be run in your own device means mobile, and also this Nemotron Nano 9 billion model is giving the better performance for the small models, and also these small models are very much necessary for learning the AI, for building the AI agent, and for also research and experiment purpose. People sometimes don't get this type of small models. They think that why these small models you are making videos, but do you know that these small models are very much necessary for learning the actual AI? Here you see Nemotron Nano 9 billion model is designed as the unified model for both reasoning and non-reasoning tasks. It responds to user queries and tasks by first generating a reasoning trace and then concluding with a final response. So they have prepared this model in such a way that first it will find the reasoning trace, then it will give you the response. And here you see that when I asked this model hi, and first of all they found the reasoning trace, so they are finding that things. Okay, the user said hi, that is greeting. So that means they are understanding the context of the input, that what actually user asking. Okay, so this is a different way of implementation. So if you found fine tune this model in such a way that you can make a great model from this Nemotron 9 billion model also. Okay, so this is a great opportunity that NVIDIA small model is giving. So please use this opportunity and make some kind of another great model, and also you can make some another kind of great project. So if you want to use this, they have this Hugging Face link. I have given this link in description. Please go there and ask any questions here. And also they have this enable reasoning and think mode option. If you just turn it off, you can do that. Okay, there are temperature, max, new token option. So please do that. And just if I ask it another things like explain quantum computing in simple terms, or you can say this is solve this some step by step, it will do that. So if I just ask this simple question that solve this step by step, if a train travels 120 miles in 2 hours, what is the average speed? So click on the send and it will do that. But in the meantime, let me discuss about this Meta Mobile LM R1-950 million. So this is also a small model, and this model can be used in your mobile devices. So they have published on technical reports. So if you read that, you will find that this model achieves 5x higher accuracy on math compared to Olmo 1.24 billion model, and 2x higher accuracy related to the small LM 1.7 billion model. Now, why this is necessary? Because suppose you are doing some research and you need some privacy. So in that case, if you are doing some field work outside of home, there you have one mobile, or let's say you have one small laptop, and that laptop or mobile don't have that much of great configuration, right? So in that case, this type of model will be helpful for you, because you need some model for some resources. So in that case, this model, this small model will be helpful for you. As you see, uh, this mobile LM R1 950 million is outperforming other existing small model, and by a wide margin on coding benchmark also. Okay, so this model also have the understanding of coding, and remember that this model is not a billion model, it is a 950 million model, less than 1 billion also, and this million model is beating the other billion models. Okay, so this is a great thing that Facebook has done. So if you want to test this, just go to this Hugging Face link I have given in description, and there you will find this page, and here you can ask any question here. And here also on Reddit I have found this kind of detailed post that yeah, you can iterate and try more experiments and much faster and cheaper at that scale. Easy to try a bunch of ideas from new papers. I think Cohen did something similar with the 80 billion next because it was relatively cheap to train as well. So in case of Cohen next model, those who have watched that video, okay, that was the 80 billion model. You remember that that model Qwen 3 next 80 billion. So there the size was 80 billion, but it was giving this better performance than the Qwen previous 30 billion model also. How? Because there was a different type of architecture that was implemented. So that's why you should try this kind of different models and you should make a different type of great model from this kind of small model. Okay. So I think that this video will be helpful for you, and if you found helpful and if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.